Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Joy and I are here in Bobcaygeon, Ontario. Cottage country. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
We've
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Yeah. So we've been roaming around different little towns around here. Fenelon Falls yesterday. Lindsay, we were staying on, what's the name? Scugog Lake, and we went to Port Perry as well. Lots of droning, lots of fun, lots of shopping. Let's go. Behind us is the Buckeye Surf place. Bought some shoes there. All good.
Amazing place. And they rent boats out back also.
Oh, is that right?
I think we're going to be here for a while today.
Might hit the beach.
That'd be fun.
Oh wow, we have had such a blast in the Kawarthas. We've been all over the place, but it is so hot today. Where did we end up?
At the beach.
And it was wonderful, and it is wonderful. So refreshing. Anyways, we'll see you again.
Bye.
Bye.